Welcome back to the channel. With that says at 5 for filming wrapped F40 6454 on V84 on this warm day. You see the sun coming out. It's early morning, and if you can see down there, they are clear through Stratford West. I'm just curious how Nelson Street crossing goes off early. But that's okay, we got wrapped F40 coming. And I woke up early to catch A4. I'll be here for A7. These are going to be my last 2 trains of the summer, because today is my last day of the summer before I start school tomorrow. So I feel kind of disappointed about going back tomorrow, but doesn't matter. We have requirements. Every once in a while, and school is one of them. Crossings off. 6454. Wrapped F40. Because it's hot today. Why haven't... Obviously. This gate's been down for quite a while. It's been just like New Year's Day where there's been no gates. This must be a malfunction. This must be a malfunction or something. Because the gate's been down for a long time. Those gates are going up now. They're all going up. So, let's see F47. Or not, because we got a tailgate over here. It's been a long time since I caught a tailgate. So down there's a tailgate. So tailgates are basically when the gate goes up and then the gate goes down again. I've been taught that by a GXR worker here. Now it's going up. Now I'll see F47. V7's coming! Without saying the yellow flag, and they blew its horn for some reason. Yeah, they're coming in down there. They surprisingly did not see the yellow flag, and I see the light already. for power today is 3403, 3294, and 3054, and then 2008 and 3030 are peaking down there, and then 2073 is peaking behind 806. Well, to the side of 806. And I got a heads up that this is P42 number 911. Or the unit that... Well, you can almost barely hear that. What I was going to say was, I'm holding it. That's just a problem that I have without a tripod, that I shake a lot sometimes. That's just the thing I'm not used to, that's all. And we got someone that I know coming off, so, yeah. So, we'll be watching out for him. We'll be watching out for him. No, P42 911. Also, not sure if I'll be going on the playground today because there were kids on it, and if there are kids on it, I can't go on that playground. I could Transtronic bell for P42. Transtronic bell for P42 911. Other P42s that have this bell are 905, 901, 902, and I think that's it. But right now it's 911 with a butt car on the end. (911) So I'll pause. Gotta run to that playground because their doors are closed. Gotta run because I said the doors are closed and now the vacation's gonna go. Soon I'll not be going across the road because it'll be dark. Okay, I got up in time. Fail.
Location 8861.
Gosh, it's blowing. They're blowing at that crossing. Oh my gosh. Gee. Faded by code 4110. Oh my gosh. Thank you all for watching.
Location 8861. Crossing deactivated.